Welcome to the FIDIC Contract Management channel. In this video, we will explain how to make a determination and reach agreement in a Silver Book EPC contract. The Silver Book contract is used for turnkey and engineering, procurement, and construction contracts, which can be priced on a fixed lump sum basis, or can be a combination of fixed prices and unit prices. In this session, we are going to talk about subclause 3.5, which explains how to make a determination and how the parties should reach agreement on various issues. Normally, the variations and claims clauses trigger subclause 3.5. However, there are a number of other subclauses that can trigger the use of subclause 3.5. Both parties shall comply with the agreement and determination provisions because unresolved issues can lead to delays, disputes, and possible arbitration. Every contract should have administration requirements which include the forms to be used, reports to be made, and workflow charts which explain the process steps to take. The first step for the employer's representative is to prepare and issue a consultation notice to both parties and conduct the consultations. This can lead to an agreement or, if no agreement is reached, to a determination. When the contractor receives a determination, then the contractor can agree or negotiate or issue a notice of dissatisfaction within the applicable time limits. Whenever the contractor notifies an error or omission, the employer representative shall correct the agreement or determination and send the updated documents to the contractor. The employer representative issue any notice of dissatisfaction to the employer. For agreements, the contractor shall proceed with the payment provisions as per subclause 14.3. For unresolved notices of dissatisfaction, the contractor can decide to follow clause 21 regarding disputes and arbitration. For agreements, the employer representative shall follow the payment provisions as per subclause 14.6.1 in response to interim payment certificates. For unresolved notices of dissatisfaction, the employer can also decide to follow clause 21 regarding disputes and arbitration. It is recommended to use standard forms for the agreement and determination provisions because this ensures that all required data and information is included. Ensure that forms are fully completed and are signed by a duly authorized personnel. The first form to use is the consultation notice, which shall be prepared by the employer representative. If the parties reach agreement regarding a variation, claim, or other issue, then they shall record their agreement on the Notice of Parties Agreement and sign the form. If no agreement can be reached, then the employer representative shall prepare a notice of employer's determination and issue the signed form to the contractor. If the contractor does not agree with the determination, then the contractor shall within the time limits prepare and issue a notice of dissatisfaction to the employer representative. It is important to understand that notices can be sent by means of a form or a letter. In all cases, the word notice shall be clearly stated on the form or letter, as well as reference to the relevant subclause or clauses of the general conditions and/or particular conditions. Furthermore, notices shall be signed by duly authorized personnel, which have been given delegated authority in accordance with the contract. The administration requirements shall specify what the reporting requirements and frequency of reporting are. Normally, a determinations register is prepared, which shall clearly show the status of the agreement and determination process. The report can be submitted in various formats or can be generated by the applicable contract management system. The administration requirements shall also specify commercial meetings which shall be held on a regular basis between the parties in order to discuss, clarify, negotiate, and agree the issues. If no resolution can be achieved, then the dispute resolution provisions of the contract shall be followed. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Also check the video description for any free downloads.